Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a big build we just finished here for Michael in Kentucky. He sent us this black chrome version of the Cobra 29 and asked for a bunch of stuff. We got nitro knobs, but no knobs, just the rings. You see how it's kind of glowing from behind the rings? You see it if I go up here. So we put in the rings for him. No nitro knobs, he wants to just shine from behind. Okay, we also put in this control here for the echo. We also put an RFX 75 on here that he sent us. Don't get excited, we don't have any more in stock yet. And the fan kit, of course, we put on there as well. Alright. So let's check a look. Yeah, let's check and look at the output. We're reading on the bottom there, it looks like about 13 watts. And over here on my peak reader, I have a 100 watt slug, so we'll be reading on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can hear the echo in there. I got it set where I like it. Check. Okay. Showed you everything. See what goes on right here. Bagger 19 for radio check.
Thank you for calling the National Radio Check Hotline. All the radio check operators are busy right now, but if you'll please stand by as soon as the radio check operator becomes available, one will be with you. Again, thank you for calling the National Radio Check Hotline. Please stand by. This is working. Come in.
Thank you. Thank you very much.